Good morning. As you can see, it's raining out and I had to tear down everything with the tarp up. A little bit of a challenge, but I've done it before. It's not that bad. I'm hiking to Dick's Gap today to go into Hennessy for a resupply. It's about 8.3 miles. I gotta get going. Due to the rain, I won't be able to film as much as I did in previous days. However, I will do what I can, but it won't be too much today. See you down the trail. I'm ready to leave. This is where I stayed last night, leaving no trace again. On to Dick's Gap. Okay, I'm going into Hennessy, Georgia for tonight. And I'm going to stay at the Call of the End Express. I already got a shuttle all hooked up, and it's going to pick me up at 4. So I got to start hustling. You can follow along with me for a bit. Coming into Dick's Gap right now. It's just a little bit of a ways ahead. I'll let you follow me along.